Do you use the abdominal crunch machine at your gym? Here are some secret tips that you probably don't know about.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we are giving you tips to help you be efficient and safe while using the ab machine at the gym. Today specifically, we are going to be talking about what you should be thinking about and intending to do when you use the ab machine. Now you might think this is kind of weird, like, I should just do crunches. But listen up and use this tip and you will feel a big difference in your ab exercise.
So a lot of times when we see a machine like this at the gym and we put our arms up, automatically our brain goes to trying to move our arms in order to move the weight stack and move the pads. The problem is though, that your arms are really not the thing that you're trying to work with this exercise. You're trying to work your core, you're trying to work your abdominal muscles. So with that, yes, place your arms up, but then just kind of lock in your upper body. And don't think about necessarily like squeezing the handles as hard as you can, because that puts a lot of focus on the upper body. Instead, just kind of lock in your upper body, lightly place your hands, and then put all your focus on just trying to slouch and crunch using your abdominal muscles as opposed to trying to drive down with your elbows. It'll completely change the experience and completely change the sensation that you get in your abdominals, and you're likely gonna have to change the weight that you use because you're so used to driving down with your arms as opposed to actually using your abs.
Next time you're at the gym working abs, make sure to use this tip to help keep the exercise be specific to your abdominals and not your arms.